Hello, may I see your passport, please?
Yes, here is my passport.
Thank you. Please go inside.
Thank you.
Please put your bag here.
Okay, here is my bag.
Thank you. Your bag is okay.
Thank you.
Please show your boarding pass.
Here it is.
Everything is fine. You can go to the gate.
Thank you very much. Welcome aboard. Thank you. Please find your seat. Okay. My seat number is 12A. Here is my seat. I am sitting in my seat. I am wearing my seat belt. I am ready for the flight. Excuse me, do you need any help? May I have a glass of water, please? Of course. Here it is. Thank you so much. You're welcome. I am happy. Thank you for your help. Have a nice flight. Thank you. Goodbye. Thank you for learning with me. What topic do you want next? Please tell me in the comments. Like, follow, and share. Learn with Sufia.